Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to adjust your notifications for your Google Classroom. So when you get in, you'll be here where you can see all your classes. If you notice, I've got a couple of teachers in here, a demo class, some that I'm part of as a student. So if you will come to, I call this the hot dogs, some people refer to it as the hamburger, those three lines in the top left corner. Click there and go all the way down here to the bottom. That's your settings button. When you click on settings, it'll bring up all your settings. So I usually like to keep all of my notifications turned on, but since I have a lot of classes in this situation that we're in that I'm not the actual teacher of, I don't want to get notifications for those classes. And so I have it set to send me emails, but only if the student mentions me in the comment. And you can adjust however you want, comments on your post, comments that mention you, private comments on work, so on and so forth. Actually, I'm going to turn that one on. And then classes you're enrolled in, I'm not worried about getting notifications for those right now. Classes that I teach, you can adjust those as you want. And then down here, this might be collapsed for you. So just pay attention to this little guy right here. Class notifications, turn email and mobile notifications on or off for a class. So this applies to your emails that you get as well as notifications through the app for the class as a whole. And then these notifications up here apply to the individual types of notifications that you'll get for those classes. So I have it turned on for my homeroom specials class. I have it turned off for demo. I have it turned off for Mr. Gibraltar's 3 classes that I'm just in there to kind of help moderate some stuff. And then I have my actual classes turned on. So my ELAR, my social studies classes, those are turned on. So that is how you get to those. You go up here to your hot dogs, go all the way down to settings. This is where you adjust the different types of notifications you get, and then just make sure you expand where it says class notifications so that you can, if you are assigned to lots of different classes, you can adjust exactly which ones you want to see and which ones you do not want to see. If y'all have any kind of questions, let me know at Mrs._Knaut on Twitter and at the.texas, TECHXAS.teacher on Instagram. Good luck. Have fun.